Hello friends, my name is Krishna Brahmbhatt. Today I am going to discuss about distinguish between preliminary and final decrees, explain a decree which is partly preliminary and partly final. Distinction between preliminary and final decrees. A decree is a preliminary when further proceedings have to be taken before the shoot can be completely disposed of. Such a decree determines the rights of the parties with regard to some or one of the matters in controversy in the suit but does not completely dispose of the suit. Such a decrees are passed in suit for possession and main profits, in administration suits, in preemption suits, in suits for dissolution of partnership, in accounts between the principal and agent, in partition suits, in mortgage suits, in suits for foreclosure, in redemption suits, in suits for sale, etc. Thus, in a suit between the principal and agent or between the partners for accounts and recovery of such an amount, the court first finds that the relationship of principal and agent or that of partners existed between the parties and the plaintiff is entitled to accounts. This is preliminary decree. For a substantive right is determined thereby between the parties. Now, when the actual amount due has been determined, the court passes a decree ordering the defendant to pay the amount to the plaintiff. This is the final decree. Decrees are in the same suit, and if the preliminary decree is set aside and final decree is automatically superseded. In a suit for foreclosure, if the plaintiff succeeds, the court passes a preliminary decree ordering that an account be taken of what was due to the plaintiff at the date of such a decree of principal and interest on the mortgage, the cost of the suits, declaring the amount so due at that date and directing that if the defendant pays into court the amount so found due within the specified period, the plaintiff shall deliver up to the defendant all the documents and retransfer the property. But if the payment is not so made within a specified period, the plaintiff shall be entitled to apply for a final decree, debarring the defendant from all rights to redeem the property. Thus, in a suit for foreclosure, the final decree is passed on the application of the defendant when he has made the payment into the court of all amounts due, ordering the plaintiff to deliver up the documents referred to in the preliminary decree and to retransfer the mortgage property to the defendant. Similarly, when payment has not been made by the defendant, the court, on the application of the plaintiff, passes a final decree declaring that the defendant is debarred from all rights to redeem the mortgage property. Decree partly preliminary and partly final. A decree may be partly preliminary and partly final. In a suit for possession of shop and main profits, the court orders possession of the shop in suit in favor of the plaintiff and directs an inquiry into profits. The first part is final decree, while the second part is preliminary decree. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel.